Do you want to learn how to use AI Studio by Instagram Meta AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So first of all, this is the page of aistudio.instagram.com, and you can go here by going to Instagram and log into your account and then click on this button that says AI Studio on the left. And then you'll be taken to this page. And on here, it kind of looks like Character AI. It's like an alternative to Character AI. You've got these categories on the top. You can search for AI characters, creators, or topics. You've got these featured characters here. And you can, if you do not like any of these, you can also create your own AI character. Let's take a look at one of them. For example, I'll go into popular AI characters, this tag. And inside this, let's go for this one. Now inside here, you will see that it's an AI by this person. They have created this AI character. Now down here, it has sent you one text. You've got these three options. If you're not sure what you want to type here, you can just select any of these three. For example, I can select this second one. Now the AI is going to respond to you. This is exactly like Character AI, but in Character AI, what happens is that you can also talk with them on voice call. That is currently not there in Meta AI. Now, I made an experiment here. I asked it to just send me a photo of yourself, and it gave us this image, and it does feel like it's of the person who created this AI, because I went to Instagram, found her profile, and it looks like her. This image looks like her. What I thought was it's going to send me a photo of this AI character. Okay, I think maybe I'm wrong. I did ask it to generate a few of these photos, send me a photo of yourself with few different ways, and it kept generating different photos of different people. So maybe my theory is wrong here and it's just doing random generations. But yeah, like this is great. You can keep talking with it just like how you do in Character AI. Now let's check out how you can create your own AI character. On the left hand side, you can see this button. It says create an AI. Let's click on this. And now inside it, it says create an AI character. You can select an idea to get started or build a totally new custom AI character. So these are some of the AI characters that we can choose, or we can make a custom AI character. If I select the second one, like this one, it's going to give us this prompt here. This is going to be all about prompts. And let's say I select this one, private tutor. It gave us this prompt. Let's go for next. And it's going to start preparing the AI character with just a prompt. Now this is the AI character preview. It says Bookwise Professor. And here on the left hand side, you got the name, the tagline. You can change them if you like. And the avatars. I'm just going to select this one and create AI. And there you go. Now on the left, you got knowledge base. What does your AI character do? It's a description. Then instructions. These are instructions. You can add more instructions to it. You can add example dialogue. There's introduction and capabilities. What does your AI character do? Prompts for people to start the conversation. Prompt 1, prompt 2, prompt 3. Search. What your AI character can do. There's search. AI can search and share recent information. This is basically, it will search internet to get more recent information for you when you type the message here. For example, this is the preview on the right. I will select this and it's going to start the conversation. Now, once you're done, on the top, you'll find this 3 dots. You can delete the AI, see insights, or copy share link. There is also this, which says, who do you want to share this AI character with? The audience, it could be everyone, close friends, or only me. So I'm just going to select only me for now. And done. And here it says your AI characters, and you can see on the left hand side, this is your AI characters. This I have clicked, and on the right, I have my AI character displayed, and I can edit it from here or delete it. And if you want to create a new one, you can just select this and start again. And that's it. This is how to use AI Studio by Instagram, which is by Meta AI. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.